Okay, today I'm going to show you how to solder two pieces of sheet metal together. Okay, so here I have the third hand and I have a piece of copper set up in the third hand, and then I have a piece of brass underneath here, and I'm going to flux both of those pieces of metal, and then I'm going to make sure that they're touching pretty well. Okay, and I'm just kind of doing this as a demo. Okay, so I'm going to take some solder, and it really doesn't matter if it's the only thing you're soldering. You could just do hard, medium, or easy, but I'm going to use a couple pieces of hard for this. I'm cutting up a couple larger pieces, and I'm going to place them with the tweezers. I'm going to put one on the other side too. Actually, I'll just do them all on this side. And that's probably like way too much solder, but that's plenty of solder. And I just want to make sure again that everything is touching really well. Okay, and it's fluxed, and my metal, I sanded the pieces of metal that are making contact. So I'm going to turn my torch on, and I'm going to heat it actually from the back side and the front side. I'm going to try to draw the solder underneath the seam and right through it. I'm going to heat it up a little bit slowly to let the flux kind of evaporate. And if things move around a little bit, I can make sure it's all touching. So I'm kind of going to heat, let's see the back side a little bit here. And I'm going to watch for that shiny solder flow to happen. And it's starting to go, and there it goes. So make sure that it's, oops, pushing down on it. And the seam looks solid. And everything's going to be really hot, so you just want to be really careful. The third hand is probably really hot because that was a lot of heat. So you want to just grab it carefully from the end, kind of pick it up, and cool the whole thing off before you take it out. And quench it in the water, and it'll cool off right away. It'll cool off the third hand, and then you can touch it. And that's how you solder sheet metal kind of perpendicular to itself using the third hand. Okay, that's on there for good. Thanks.